What's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a logo for your personal brand in 5 minutes. So you're going to be able to create multiple logos and choose the one you prefer for your personal brand. So straight away, let's get into it. So today we're going to be using a tool called Ideogram AI, and with this tool is going to allow us to create amazing logos. So straight away, my brand is called Real Gema, and let me say I want to create a logo for it. So how can I do that as well? So all I have to do is head on to this website called Ideogram AI and combine it with ChatGPT, and I'll be able to generate logos. So I can go ahead and specify already or put a prompt here to describe the kind of logo I want. Maybe let me say create a logo for Real Gema brand. Straight away, this is simple prompts, and the tool is going to try its best to generate a logo, but it's not really going to nail it on point because I've not put a lot of context. I've not told him what my brand is all about. I've not told him what I'm doing and I've not specified any colors, no context, and so it's just going to generate something random, which will not be what I want. So if I want to get something precisely towards my brand and what it does, then I'm going to use ChatGPT to kind of give me the correct phrasing, the correct context for it. And so let's go ahead and see how this can be done. So straight away, I'm going to go to ChatGPT and say, give me a prompt. Let's say a prompt to generate the logo for my brand called Real Gema, which focuses on, let me say, graphic design, programming, and video creation. So all those niches in which I specialize in, I'm going to get ChatGPT to generate me the prompt for that. So I'm just going to confirm this, and then it's going to format this and give me a prompt for that. So as you can see already, this is the prompt that is already coming out. So straight away, I have a prompt with a lot more context. You see, far from this single line that I wrote, you see now ChatGPT has generated me multiple lines. So all I have to do is select the part of the specific prompt, come in here and put it here, and that's it. I'm just going to remove this additional part that ChatGPT included, and that's it. So it's going to give me design a logo for Real Gema. He puts it in quotes, to specify that that's the text you want to see on the logo. I will create a logo for Real Gema, a creative brand specializing in graphic design, programming, and video creation. The logo should be, so you see, it adds more context, and so whatever is going to come out now for Ideogram will be really precise and really more professional than if I had just given a single line. So let's go ahead and see what ChatGPT is going to generate for us with that prompt. Alright, so it will take a couple of seconds to generate. So yeah, so in the same way, you can explore already Ideogram and see other logos which have been created on here. So you can see what people have been designing, what people have been creating, and you can easily just remix it. So Ideogram has an option for you to remix, which basically means use the prompt of other people, and you can easily find it if you go into the 3 dots. You have the first option is going to be remix, which is going to allow you to just remix or reuse the prompts from others as well. So you can explore the numerous prompts that have already been created, and you can use those. So straight away, okay, the generation is complete. The images are going to appear. So yeah, let's continue exploring while that loads up. So now you can see it has generated a couple of logos for me with the Real Gema brand. So here you have it. It tries to put some elements of programming and video creation. You see, it tries its best to use amazing fonts and use the best illustrations you can think of. But you see, it's not really perfect. It's not really giving me something very nice or something very enticing, So I really don't like this. So what I can do is that I can simply go back to ChatGPT and say, I don't like this. Can you be much more creative? That's all I need to tell it. And then when I send this, it's going to update now this prompt and give me something better. So yeah, it's giving me multiple options. So I'll just choose any one of them. Maybe let me go with this one, which seems longer. Yeah, so let's go ahead and select this, and then all I have to do is come back here and then paste it. So that's it, generate. So as you can see, it gave me some kind of ugly logos. To be honest, I didn't really like them very much. So another option you have is to just continue generating using the same prompt. Maybe it didn't nail it on the first try. It doesn't mean it's going to generate the same ugly logos on and on. So you can always keep generating more and more, maybe changing some key elements in the prompt, and it's going to try its best. So here you have it. You see it has done a way better job now. It has come out with something way better. Rio Gemma, he puts a slogan there with all of the domains of expertise and all. See, he tries to do something here which is nice, but it's not very, very good. So you see, this one is way better, way better. So he tried to create a creative illustration, put in the name Rio Gemma in there, and so on and so forth. Yeah, so this one as well is good too. So it's trying already to give some amazing logo. So there you have it. Just in a couple of seconds I was able to generate some amazing logos for my personal brand. So this is how you can use this tool to generate some amazing logos for your personal brand. It's not going to end on there. We can keep generating as long as we have credits, as long as we have the option. You can keep generating on and on and on until you find a perfect logo. If you notice that a lot of the prompts or the generations which are being created aren't really matching your style, you can always come to ChatGPT and specify what you like. The real usage of ChatGPT here is just for it to really put your ideas in a more comprehensible manner. Because if I was to write all of this, I may not write it as well as ChatGPT does, or it will not come out as precise. So that's what I use ChatGPT. So if I wanted the logo maybe to have a specific illustration, I just have to tell ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will include that in its context. So there you have it. This is how you can create an amazing logo for your personal brand in just a couple of seconds. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.